It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We officially have closed on our Seattle home. I'm not sure which vlog is gonna go first. We sold our Georgia house, which is our baby, our very first house, and I am so happy. It is now about 6:30. We closed about 10 o'clock this morning. Washington is definitely totally different from Georgia as far as how the closing process goes. So we have actually, after we sign everything and pay our, hold on, boo-boo. Say hi. So after we sign everything and pay the money for our loan, we then have to wait until the deed gets updated and the records or something at the court. So we've been waiting all day to get in here. I thought I was about to close, get in here, start painting and doing stuff that I really wanted to do, but we didn't get to do that. But I'm so happy that we are in the house. Hold on, Stinky. I am happy that we are in the house and we're gonna be getting situated. So we're definitely gonna bring you guys along for all of the projects and things that we do to update this house to make it our home. So definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick house tour before all the stuff gets in. I really wanted to do an empty house tour, but I've been busy painting and things. So the movers actually just got here. So I'm gonna start off with a really quick empty house tour, and depending on what's going on, I'll let you guys spend the day with us and kind of see what we're going to be doing as far as starting to get comfortable in this house and making it more like home. So we're upstairs in Coda's room, so I guess we might as well go ahead and start here kind of backwards, impromptu. I'll do a better tour once we get settled. I'll do a better tour, but this is Coda's room. It is supposed to be like a media room, but as you can see, it's big enough for her to have like her sleeping quarters over here, and then on this side is going to be more her play area. These are the things that she had at her dad's house that I had ordered because I knew all her stuff was going to be packed up. So we already brought all this stuff here, and I'm definitely doing her a totally different room, so you guys will get to see that on the vlog. Next to her room was one of her room options. Boo. Okay, hold on. This is just a guest room, nothing too fancy. The lighting in here sucks, so we're been changing out a lot of the lighting in here that she had, and this is gonna be where Dakota's clothes are gonna go, since she doesn't have a closet in there since it's the media room. And then this is the paint colors that she has in here now, but I'm repainting all of that. I did already paint Coda's room. It's white, so the whole house is gonna be white with gray. This is a linen closet. She has the screens in here, and I'll show you why in just a second. And then we have Dakota's bathroom, which I have already started painting as well. White, I just have to finish cutting the top. Trying to get rid of all of this tan, don't like it. And then over this way is what was gonna be her room originally. Again, the lighting sucks in here. We're switching out all the lights, but this room, it's a decent sized room. It's just not big enough for her to have her bed stuff, as well as her toys. At the last house, she had a toddler bed, so she had plenty of room. Those stairs to go down. And we have our laundry room, which I'm excited about getting decorated. Never had a laundry room this big before. Our last one was a walk-in, but it was super tight. And then this is our room, the only room in the house with, you wanna say hi? Hi. Only room in the house that has blue walls. I don't know why she decided to do that. Our room is definitely smaller than it was in Atlanta, but it's enough space to make it work. And then this is why she has the screens in the closet. The view from our house is so amazing. It's just nice. This, you can't really see everything in camera. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. But like seeing all the mountains and stuff. Very, very nice. Huh?
How?
What?
Blue house.
The what?
Blue house.
The blue house?
Mm-hmm.
I see it. And this is our master bathroom. We have a lot of stuff that we're gonna be, oh, these lights is terrible. We could change all these lights out, y'all. Let me see if I can find a better angle. All right, so we have double vanity sinks. We're getting new countertop sinks, faucets, lights, paint, all that has to go down in here. This is our tub and shower. I haven't even looked in here. Toilet. And then something that we're gonna have to get used to is our closets, because we've never shared a closet before. So it's a pretty decent size one. We've already been looking at getting the closet, some custom stuff in there to make it good for organizing, but that'll be a whole nother vlog.
Mom,
yes? All right, let's take them downstairs. Let's take them downstairs. All right, so we're gonna go downstairs. We doing what?
Mailman? What, Mommy? Mailman?
Ain't no mailman, those the movers. So this is the entryway. We've already changed out the light that was up here. I'll show you the lights in a second. There's a hall closet here that we want to make a mudroom. And then we have garage, formal dining. And this is the living room where we'll probably be spending most of our time at when we're home. I've already started painting in here. So the walls were this tan color over here, and I'm starting to do the white. And then I did this color called Black Fox by Sherwin-Williams on the fireplace, as well as the beams that are in the house. So all the rest of these walls are going to be white like it is over here. And then behind me is our kitchen. Babe is changing out the handles. We've already changed out this lighting. The lighting here, we're changing out the knobs to some more sleek knobs. They had like these, I don't know, whatever they were. And then these were the lights that she had. You'll be able to see why I wanted to change them. It was like, they're not bad, it's just not my style. They look like leaves and yeah, whatever. But that's that. Then we have our pantry, which has to get cleaned and organized as well. That'll be another vlog. We pretty much have the same fridge that we had, except our fridge was stainless steel and she went with black stainless steel appliances in here, which I like. This is our stove. Love it. Microwave. Oh, we're also gonna be changing out this backsplash here. Where did the sample go? We have a sample piece here. All right, so this is the backyard. You going down, Coda?
You guys.
It's really small, cute, quaint view. No yard work at all. So trying to figure out where we want to do like a little area for Dakota, try to work that in out here, as well as get some nice lounge seating and things like that. Some type of coverage because it's almost time for rain to start back here, but it's super cute.
Mommy, you don't have your shoes on.
I know I don't have my shoes on, but this is what the yard looks like, so really cute.
Mommy,
And then
Mommy,
come on back in, Poo-Poo. I think the last thing is the downstairs bathroom. There is a half bath down here on the main floor. This is just the new lighting and faucet and all that stuff are in here. Tan, these walls are gonna be changed, but then it just has a toilet and sink. So that's our new house quick tour. I'll do a better one once we actually get it furnished and decorated.